Hi second graders, we are going to have a really great Fundations lesson today. You will need a piece of paper or dry erase board and a pencil or dry erase marker. Go ahead and make sure you have that. If you need to pause the video now, that would be great. You also are going to have to get up and do some movement breaks so that we can practice some trick words. So get ready and let's have fun learning. So we're going to start with some drill sounds. I am going to say it and then I want you to repeat after me. Make sure you're repeating after me out loud because moms and dads are emailing me back to let me know if you are actually repeating. A-R, car, R. Your turn. Good, let's try it together. A-R, car, R. Awesome. Let's try this one. O-R, horn, or. Your turn. Let's try it together. O-R, horn, or. Awesome. All right. Let's move on to our word of the day. You will see up here that I have two parts of the word. Forbid. This is a compound word because we have for and bid. The first part of the word, for, I want you to think about what R-controlled combination you see in that part of the word. F-O-R, for. Go ahead and think. And let's look at the next part of the word. Bid. B-I-D, bid. I want you to think about which type of syllable that is. Great. I have a question for you. What is something we forbid at school? Well, first I'm going to back up. Forbid means to refuse to allow you or someone to do something. So what is something we would forbid at school? Maybe even think about what is something your mom or dad would forbid for you to do at home. After the video, I'm going to have you to record that and tell me about that. Let's break up this word and let's mark it up. Go ahead and write the word forbid and try marking it up. Go ahead and do it now. Forbid. I see an R-controlled combination in the first syllable. I'm going to mark that up by circling O-R and then scooping and putting R for R-controlled syllable. When I break down the word bid, that I says a short vowel. So I'm going to put a breve and I'm going to, because the consonant D closes in that short vowel, I'm going to put a C because it's a closed syllable. Give me a thumbs up if you also marked it up this same way. All right, go ahead and try to use the word forbid in a sentence. I want you to say it out loud. All right, now comes a little bit of a movement break. Go ahead and put your pencil or marker down. The first thing we're going to do is read our trick words slowly. Let's go ahead and read our trick words slowly. The first one is, ready? World. Let's read the second one slowly. Answer. And the third one, different. Let's read it quickly. Ready? World. Answer, different. All right, go ahead and stand up and push under your chair. On the first word, we're going to do some squats. So I want you to make sure you separate your legs and bend your knees slightly. And we are going to squat down. Imagine yourself sitting back into a chair. And we are going to say the letters of the word world as we squat. Ready? W-O-R-L-D. And say it out loud, world. Awesome. All right, the next one we're going to do is answer. You're going to do a jump rope with me, so make sure that you are pretending to jump, pretending to use your jump rope as you actually jump, and spell the word answer. A-N-S-W-E-R, and say the word answer. Awesome. Here's something really fun for you to do. You are going to make up your own exercise for the word different, and I want you to send me back a video of yourself doing that. Okay, so just start thinking about it, but I'll remind you of that in the directions. Go ahead and sit back down. and get back out your writing utensil. I am going to say some words to you. I want you to think about our combinations. So AR, car, R. We mark that up by circling the AR and marking up the syllable with an R. Same thing for OR, horn, or. We mark up the R-controlled combination, OR, and then scoop up the syllable with an R. And we say R and or. Awesome. All right, your first word that I want you to write is chore. My mom gave me a chore to complete. Chore. Go ahead and write the word and mark it up. Chore. All right, I'm going to try it. I hear that ch digraph, ch, or, sure. I'm all finished. I have CHOR. Do you think that that is correct or incorrect? Tell me why. What do you think? I hope that you found yourself realizing that this doesn't really look right without adding that silent magic E. This is in fact a vowel to E, vowel consonant E combination. So I can add that E, mark through it, and I will scoop up this syllable and write V to E. I hope you did that. If you didn't, then make sure to try that next time for the word chore. Great. Let's go to the second word. I want you to write the word, listen carefully, parks. Parks. My mom parks her car in the garage. Parks. Go ahead and write that word and mark it up. Parks. Okay, I wrote P-A-R-K. I know that I hear that A-R, R-controlled combination, and I can mark that syllable up, park, with a R because it's an R-controlled syllable. But what am I forgetting? Tell me out loud, what am I forgetting? Parks. I'm forgetting the suffix S. Go ahead and make sure you have your suffix S circled. Great. And final word that you're going to do for today, and I hope that you've been doing some measurement with rulers at home, but another measuring tool that we talked about before we left school was a yardstick. I would love for you to write that word yardstick and mark it up. Yardstick. It is, in fact, one word. First syllable, yard. A-R is the R-controlled combination. D closes it in. It is an R-controlled syllable. Stick. St. Ooh, there's a nice, what is that called again? Is it a digraph? No, it's a consonant blend. St. I. K. Ooh, now that has not a consonant blend, but a digraph. Stick, that is a closed syllable with a short vowel, short I. Awesome. Today, when you are finished, and this will be in the directions, you are going to make up an exercise and videotape yourself for the word different. Make sure to spell it and then say it. And then finally, you are going to tell me, if you'd like, what is something we forbid to do at school. You can add that as your caption. So once you record yourself, then you can add a caption and you can say, Miss Page or Miss Bristol or whoever you'd like can forbid me from doing whatever it may be. But you get to come up with your sentence and you get to come up with the example. I hope you have a really great day and continue to learn and stay healthy.